Good morning, students. Yesterday we are discussing about topic number 7, that is permutations and combinations. So define permutations, then define factorial notation, then define fundamental principle of permutations. So I will repeat once again. So permutation means different arrangements of things taken all at a time or some at a time, giving importance to the order in which they are chosen. That is known as permutations. Okay. Now permutations of 3 books taken one at a time, number of possibilities 3 ways. Whereas permutations of 3 books taken 2 at a time, number of possibilities, number of ways 6 ways. That is 3p2. Whereas permutation of 3 books taken all at a time, then number of ways, possible number of ways are 6 ways. Okay. Then factorial notation, the product of first n natural numbers, that is known as factorial notation, denoted by n factorial. Now n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 and so on, or we can write n into n minus 1 factorial. Note that factorial 0 is treated as 1, whereas negative factorial does not exist, because negative number, that is not a natural number. Then fundamental principle of permutation. There are so many things. Among those things, if the first event can be done in any one of m ways, having done this, in second event can be done in any one of n ways. Okay. Both the events can be done in simultaneously m into n ways. That is known as fundamental principle of permutation. So based on fundamental principle of permutations to solve the problems. Now problem number 1, what is that? How many 3-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, assuming that repetition of the digit is allowed? Repeat ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Second one is repetition of the digit is not allowed. Repeat ಆಗದೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 3-digit number. 3-digit numbers, that is unit place, tens place, 100 place. Okay. Now first one is repetition of the digit is allowed. Now first one is unit place. Now unit place can be filled in. How many number of ways? 5 digits. 5 numbers are given, so that unit place can be filled in how many number of ways? 5 number of ways. Whereas tens place can be filled in again 5 number of ways, because repetition of the digit is repeated, allowed. Repetition of the digit is allowed. Repeat ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. So that tens place can be filled in again 5 ways. Then 100 place can be filled in 5 ways. By fundamental principle of permutation, now the repetition of the digit is allowed. 3-digit number can be formed is equal to 5 into 5 into 5. How much? 125 ways. Okay. Whereas repetition of the digit is not allowed. Repeat ಆಗಬಾರದು. Now unit place, unit, tens, 100. Unit place can be filled in any one of 5 ways. Unit place can be filled in any one of 5 ways. Just like 3 persons enter in a railway compartment in which 5 seats are there. Same type. So unit place can be filled in any one of 5 ways. Yellow one place or fix ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ unit place. Okay. Then 100 place can be filled in any one of 4 ways. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ one place unit place fill ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. 100 place can be filled in any one of 4 ways. Now 100 place fill ಆಯಿತು. There, sorry, 10th place can also filled. Now 100 place can be filled in any one of 3 ways. So remember, unit place can be filled in any one of 5 ways. Tens place can be filled in any one of 4 ways. 100th place can be filled in any one of 3 ways. By fundamental principle, these 3-digit number can be formed is equal to 5 into 4 into 3. That is 60 ways. Okay. Now each question carries 1 mark. There are 2 mark questions. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 mark, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 mark. So how to write? Look here. Solution. Okay. Now here, so since first one is repetition is allowed. Since repetition is allowed, ಮೊದಲೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಲೋಡ್, ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಈಚ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು, ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಈಚ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ 5 ways because repetition is allowed. ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ 5 ways, 100 place can be filled in 5 ways, then 10th place can also be filled in 5 ways. Therefore, total number of ways of 3-digit number, total number of ways of 3-digit number is equal to 5 into 5 into 5. How much? That is 125. Okay. Then second one, when repetition is not allowed, when repetition is not allowed, repeat ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ now unit place can be filled in, unit place can be filled in 5 ways. ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇದೊಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, 5 ways. ಇಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ 10th place ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್, 10th place can be filled in 4 ways. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 4 boxes 4 ways. And 100 place can be filled in how many ways? 3 ways. Okay. Therefore, by fundamental principle of permutation, FPP means fundamental principle of permutation, total number of ways is equal to 5 into 4 into 3, that is 60 ways. 3-digit number can be formed without repetition. How many ways? 60 ways. Okay. Whereas problem number 2, second problem, same type. Problem number 2, how many 3-digit number, how many 3-digit even number can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the digit can be repeated, how many 3-digit even numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 if the digit can be repeated? 3-digit number. Okay. Unit place, tens place, 100 place, those numbers are even number, 3-digit even number. So same method, how to solve here. Unit place can be filled in 3 ways. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ 3-digit ನಂಬರ್ ಅವು 3 ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ದು 2, 4, 6. 2 ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್, 4 ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್, 6 ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ 1, 2, 3, ಓನ್ಲಿ 3 ways. ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಈವನ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2, 4, 6. Whereas tens and 100 tens and hundred place can be filled in 6 ways. Tens place and hundred place can be filled in 6 ways because if the digit can be repeated. Okay. Therefore, total number of 3-digit even numbers is equal to 3 into 6 into 6. How much? 108 ways. So, unit place can be filled in 3 ways, namely 2, 4, 6 are the even number. Then tens place can be filled in 6 ways. 100 place can be filled in also 6 ways by fundamental principle. Now, these 3 digits even number can be formed if the repetition is allowed, that is 3 into 6 into 6, that is 108. Okay. Then next question, problem number 3. Problem number 3. How many 4 letters? How many 4 letters code can be formed using the first 10 letters of English alphabet. If no letter can be repeated, no letter repeat agbardu. Okay. How many 4 letters code can be formed using the first 10 letters of the English alphabet? First 10 letters in the alphabet barutte A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay. So 10 letters. Among those 10 letters, you have to take only 4 letter code can be formed using the first 10 letters of English alphabet if the condition no letter can be repeated. A, B, B, itara repeat agbardu. Take only one time. Okay. Now here no letter can be repeated andaga. So take one by one letter. Now here the number of ways of filling first letter code is equal to 10 ways because 10 letters. First letter na 10 ways now fill ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Up to 10 letters. Among those 10 letters, you take 4 letters. Now there, so that the first letter code can be filled in 10 ways. Then number of ways of filling second letter code. 10 boxes ide, 1 box fill aitu, then remaining box is 9. Okay. Then number of ways of filling third letter code. No letter is repeated, that is 8 ways. Modledu 10 ways. Possibilities 10 letters. 1 letter na ನಾವು 10 ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದರ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, that is 10 ways. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, remaining box is 9 boxes. So second letter code can be filled in any one of 9 ways. So adon box fill aitu. Then remaining box is 8. Third letter code can be filled in any one of 8 ways, that is 8 boxes. 8 box ಒಳಗೆ third letter code ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. Remaining boxes are 7. So that number of ways of filling fourth letter code is equal to 7. Therefore, by fundamental principle of permutation, FPP means fundamental principle of permutation, total number of ways is equal to 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. Multiply, after multiplication 5040 ways, 5040. Okay. Whereas fourth problem number 4, how many 5-digit telephone number, how many 5-digit telephone number can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9 if each number starts with 67 and no digit appears more than once. Okay, artha madಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. How many 5-digit telephone numbers? Yes. How many 5-digit telephone numbers can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9? In between 0 and 9, adrolaga number todri 5-digit number. If each number starts with 67 and no digit appears more than once. 5-digit one telephone number ide. Among 5-digit number, first 2 digits are given. Starts with yadar kottidana 67 kottbididana. Remaining 3-digit number ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. Okay, so totally 5-digit number, telephone number. Among 5-digit, first 2 digits are given. Each number starts with 6 and 7. So remaining 3 places, 3-digit number ನಾವು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How many number of ways? Now here, out of 10 digits, 0 to 9 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So out of 10 digit, 0 to 9 means 10 digits. Out of 10 digits, we are to use 8 digits. Now ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? 8 digits. ಯಾಕೆ? Because the number starts with 6 and 7. Out of 10 digit, 2 digits are given. ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾನ 6 and 7. 2 digit ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾನ. So we are use only 8 digits because ಯಾಕೆ? Because starting 2 digits. Starting 2 digits ಯಾವ್ದು? 6 and 7 are fixed. Starts with 2 numbers fixed, 6 and 7. Now, in a 3-digit number, in 3 places. Now, the 3rd, 4th and 5th place can be filled in. The 3rd, 4th and 5th can be filled in. Nodri. So 3rd digit, totally 10 digits. Out of 10 digits, 2 digits are given. Remaining 8 digits. Now the 3rd digit, 3rd place can be filled in. How many ways? 8 ways. And 4th place can be filled in 7th ways. And 5th place can be filled in 6 ways. Correct? Therefore, total number of 5-digit telephone number, total number of 5-digit telephone number is equal to 8 into 7 into 6 after multiplication 336 ways. ನೋಡ್ರಿ 10 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ ಅವನು 6 and 7 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಇನ್ನು 8 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಆ 8 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ 8 ವೇಸ್. 8 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ? 6 7 ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಹೌದಾ? ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ 7 ವೇಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದೆನ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ 6 ways. By fundamental principle, now the number of 5-digit telephone number is equal to 8 into 7 into 6, that is 336 ways. Okay? So, next one is fifth problem. A coin is tossed. A coin is tossed 3 times. And the outcomes are recorded. Outcomes are recorded. Now the question, how many possible outcomes are there? Outcomes are there. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A coin is tossed how many times? 3 times. One coin tossed 3 times. A coin is tossed 3 times. Then the question is, and the outcomes are recorded. How many possible outcomes are there? Now here you know that if one coin tossed, what are the outcomes? One coin toss ಮಾಡಿದರೆ outcomes ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಆ ಕಾಯಿನಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಫೇಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಹೆಡ್ ಟೇಲ್. If one coin tossed, 2 outcomes. Again one coin tossed, 2 outcomes. Again one coin tossed, 2 outcomes. Because coin is tossed 3 times. 3 times ನಾವು ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಸೊ one coin toss ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 3 outcomes. Sorry, 2 outcomes. Again coin toss, 2 outcomes. Once again coin toss, 2 outcomes. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1 coin toss ಮಾಡಿದ 2 outcomes ಯಾವುದು? ಹೆಡ್ ಟೇಲ್. If 1 coin tossed, 2 outcomes. 2 coin tossed or coin tossed twice. 2 coins tossed. How many outcomes? 4 outcomes. What are those? ಹೆಡ್ 2 ಹೆಡ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಡ್ ಟೇಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಟೇಲ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಟೇಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. If 2 coins tossed, 4 outcomes. If 3 coins tossed, coin tossed 3 times is nothing but 3 coins are tossed. So 3 coins are tossed or coin tossed 3 times, both are same. 3 coins are tossed. Possible outcomes are, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 3 coin toss ಮಾಡಿದರೆ possible outcomes ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? ಆರ್ 3 ಕಾಯಿನದ ಹೆಡ್ ಬೀಳ್ಬೋದಾ? ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್, ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಟೇಲ್. ಓಕೆ, 2 ಹೆಡ್ 1 ಟೇಲ್ ಬೀಳ್ಬೋದಾ? ಆರ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಟೇಲ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ 1 ಹೆಡ್ 2 ಟೇಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ ಟೇಲ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ ಟೇಲ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಟೇಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದಾ? ರೈಟ್. ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವ್ದು ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಹೆಡ್, ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಟೇಲ್. ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ 2 ಹೆಡ್ 1 ಟೇಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 1 ಹೆಡ್ 1 ಟೇಲ್ 1 ಹೆಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 1 ಹೆಡ್ 2 ಟೇಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 2 ಟೇಲ್ 1 ಹೆಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ 1 ಟೇಲ್ 1 ಹೆಡ್ 1 ಟೇಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಆರ್ 1 more 1 ಟೇಲ್ 2 ಹೆಡ್ ಬೀಳ್ಬೋದು. These are the outcomes. Count it, number of ways: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So total number of outcomes is equal to 8. If 1 coin tossed, 2 outcomes. If 2 coins tossed, 4 outcomes. 2 power 2, 4. If 3 coins tossed, 2 power 3. That power indicate number of coins. Okay, if 3 coins tossed, 2 power 3, that is 8 outcomes. Okay, 1 coin toss ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2 outcomes ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If 2 coins are tossed, number of ways 4 outcomes, 2 power 2. Both are head, both are tail, one head, one tail, or one tail, one head. Okay, if 3 coins are tossed, number of possible outcomes 2 power 3, that is 8 outcomes. All are head, all are tail, both are head, one tail, one head, one tail, one head, one head, both are tail, one head, tail, head, tail, then tail, head, head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total number of ways, 8 ways, 8 outcomes. Clear? Okay. Next problem, that is problem number 6. Given 5 flags of different colors. 5 flags of different colors. How many different signals can be generated if each signal requires the use of only 2 flags. Among 5 flags, only 2 flags, one below the other. ಒಂದರ ಕೆಳ ಒಂದಿರಬೇಕು, one below the other. Okay. Now here totally 5 flags. By taking 2 flags, one below the other, so the first flag, the upper flag can be placed, can be filled in 5 ways. Here the upper flag place one below the other, only 2 flags, upper flag, lower flag. So that upper flag place can be filled in 5 ways. Because 5 flags of 5 different colors. And lower flag, one below the other. Now other kegindu lower flag place can be filled in 4 ways. Therefore total number of possible signals is equal to, fundamental principle, 5 into 4, 20 ways. Total number of possible signals, 5 into 4, 20 ways. 5 flags of different colors. How many different signals can be generated if each signal requires the use of 2 flags, one below the other? Ondar kela ondirbeku signals. Okay. Now here there are 2 flags. Upper flag place can be filled in any one of 5 ways, and lower flag can be filled in any one of 4 ways. Okay. Total number of possible signals, 5 into 4, 20 ways. Total number of signals, possible signals, 20 ways. Okay. Now these are the word problem. Then next one is, that is problem number 7. 7th problem, evaluate first one 8 factorial, second one 4 factorial minus 3 factorial, third one 5 factorial, fourth one 7 factorial, fifth one 7 factorial minus 5 factorial, sixth one 7 factorial divided by 5 factorial. Seventh one, 12 factorial divided by 10 factorial into 2 factorial. Eighth one, 8 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. And ninth one is 3 factorial plus 4 factorial is equal to 7 factorial. Check maadi whether 4 factorial plus 3 factorial is equal to 7 factorial. Okay. Now here to solve one by using the definition of factorial notation. Definition of factorial: the product of first n natural numbers, that is known as factorial. Now here first one, 8 factorial. Hag baritari idana descending order, 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now multiply. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 3 2s are 6 1s are 6 6 4s are 24 24 5s are, that is 120 126 are 720 720 into 7 5040 into 8, that is 40320. check ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ 40320. whereas second one, 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. Now first to find 4 factorial. 4 factorial, how to write it? 4 factorial. 4 factorial descending order, the product of natural numbers, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 1s are 24. 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. Therefore 4 factorial minus 3 factorial is equal to 4 factorial is 24 minus 3 factorial is 6, that is 18. Okay, very simple. Then third one, evaluate 5 factorial. How to write? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Multiply. 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60, 60 into 2 120, 120 into 1 120. Okay. Then fourth problem. Fourth one, 7 factorial. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Multiply. 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 24 5s are 120, 126 are 720, 727s are 5040, 5040. Okay. Then fifth one, 7 factorial minus 5 factorial is equal to, I think you know the value of 7 factorial, 5040, minus also you know the value of 5 factorial, 120. Less ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0, 4 minus 2 2, then 10 minus 1 9, here 4920. Correct? 4920. Then sixth one, 7 factorial divided by 5 factorial. 7 factorial value 5040 divided by 5 factorial value 120. 1 0 cancel, divide ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 12 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತನ, 12 4s are 48 ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, 12 1s are 12 4s are 48, 2 ಉಳಿತು 24, 12 2s are, that is 42. Sixth one is 42. Okay. Then seventh one, 12 factorial. 12 factorial divided by 10 factorial into 2 factorial is equal to, 12 factorial is 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 and so on, or we can write 12 into 11 into 10 factorial. Baribodala? Okay. Divided by 10 factorial as it is into 2 factorial is 2 into 1. 10 factorial cancel. 2 1s are 2 6s are 11 6s are 66. Right? Whereas 8th one, ಏನಿದೆ 8th one, evaluate 8 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. Now 8 factorial, product of first and natural number, descending order, 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1, or we can write 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 6 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 6 factorial into 2 factorial is nothing but 2 into 1. 6 factorial cancel. 2 1s are 2 4s are 4 into 7. How much? That is 28. Okay. Then ninth one in the question, no. Verify whether 3 factorial plus 4 factorial is equal to 7 factorial. Nodri 2 factorial add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Now first to find 3 factorial. 3 factorial value 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. Next ಯಾವುದು? 4 factorial. 4 factorial value 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Okay. Next to 7 factorial. 7 factorial is equal to 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 7 factorial value ಅಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 5040. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹಾಂ. Therefore 3 factorial plus 4 factorial. 3 factorial value 6. 4 factorial is 24. That is 30. Is it 30 is the value of 7 factorial? No, which is not equal to 7 factorial. Therefore 3 factorial plus 4 factorial is not equal to 7 factorial. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 2 factorial add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 3 plus 4 7 ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 3 factorial plus 4 factorial value 30, but 7 factorial is 5040. 30 is not equal to 5040. Therefore 3 factorial plus 4 factorial is not equal to 7 factorial. Okay, so each question carries 1 mark. Important sum practice ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ by using the definition of factorial notation. Okay.